Greetings for the day, students. This topic is from the subject that is PME, Program Management and Entrepreneurship. That is JHU 702. Now, it is from the Unit 2 of your subject that is Entrepreneurial Ideas. How entrepreneurs develop their ideas. Now, first, we will see what is introduction to innovation. That innovations is a practical implementations of ideas for practical implementations that results in new goals or enhance the existing services. Okay, it implies to value which system to drive positive outcome for inventive act. For a business innovations is a product process or a business product. The true innovation is an advancement of the existing. Okay, so basically the innovations when we have got already existing system, the enhancement in that system is also known to as innovations. Now, role of innovations in entrepreneurship, that is creative developments, persistent improvements, reinforcing your brand, making best of the existing products, responding to the trends and competitions, having a unique selling point. First point is creative development. How the developments become positive for the business, beneficial for the business. That is the creative development. Then consistent improvements. Whatever is the existing system, we can make the improvement to the existing system by the innovations. Now the brands, existing brands of the business can be reinforced by innovations. Now whatever product is available, making the best of the existing products and responding to the trends and competitions. For whatever is the trend for today, the product should be altered or changed or developed according to the trends. And then to sell out any particular product, innovations is to be incorporated into it to increase the business. Now, there are different types of innovations. That is, first one is product and process innovations. That is, whatever the product is there and what is the process of that product, and that has to be innovated, that has to be making new technological innovation, that whatever technology is existing, it can be innovated furthermore. Then business model innovations, the business, whatever business is available, it can be innovated by different modeling designs. Then organizational innovations, whatever innovations is there has to be organized in the organization, innovations to be done at the overall organization so that the business can be increased furthermore. Then the processes which are available can be innovated according to the newly trends. So these are the different types of innovations. Okay. Now, now based upon the different types of innovations, that is on market and technology. What are different types of innovations based upon market and technology? Now, that are architectural innovations, incremental innovations, radical innovations, and disruptive innovations. Now, what is an incremental innovations? That is, if the innovation is on existing and current company, on it has to be innovated to some new horizons, then it is called incremental innovation. Then comes disruptive innovations. It is also known as sleek innovations. Involves applying new technologies or process to the company's current market. Okay, that is what is called disruptive innovation. That is this one. Then comes architectural innovations. Now, what is this? An architectural innovation is simply taken lessons and skills and overall technology, applying them within the different markets. Now, the existing technology is applied to different markets. That is what is called disruptive innovations. Now, what is an architectural innovations? Architectural innovations is simply taking the lessons and overall technology, applying them within the different, that is called architectural innovations. Then comes radical innovations. Radical innovations involves the creations of technology, services, and business models that open up entirely in new markets. So these are different types of innovations based upon market and technology. Now, idea generations in entrepreneurship. That is basically there are different ways to generate ideas. One of them is idea generation is the process of creating and generating and communicating, which are the abstract, concrete, or visual. Now, idea generation is first step in product development. Then, idea generation is basically identifying solutions to a problem. And the last one is idea generation is backbone of any organizations. Now, why idea generation is important in entrepreneurship? If the idea will be generated, then only with the new ideas, the innovations will come up. So, it is important in the entrepreneur. Basically, entrepreneurs are the person who takes up new ideas and take a lead to deploy these ideas to the technologies to make benefit to the business. Okay. So idea generations is a very important part in the entrepreneurship. Now, how the idea has to be developed, what are the processes and steps? Now, first one is enabling, that is search for right field of innovations. What are the fields in which innovations can be done? Then defining, develop search queries and paths. What are the queries to be asked and what is the path to take up to the innovations? Then inspiring, search of ideas from other fields. We can search ideas in other fields also apart from the existing field in which we are working to get the new ideas. Then selecting, generate and evaluate. We generate and evaluate ideas. Whatever ideas comes to us, we can generate and evaluate it. Then optimize. Now these ideas are optimized from the initial ideas to the mature concepts. Then nurturing, enriching ideas and various implementation strategies. Now, whenever we get the idea, then we enrich it, we develop it further with various implementation strategies. Okay. Now, uh, this particular write-up or the slides has been taken up from the book that is Innovations and Entrepreneurship by Drucker, P.F. Harper and Rao. So, thank you, students. The next topic will be taken up in the different lecture. Thank you.